Dear students, welcome to computer class for grade 7. This is lecture number 1 in week 9. We are in chapter number 2. Charts in Excel 2013. Dear students, in our last class, we have learned how to practically implement chart elements. We have only covered chart title, axis title, legend, data labels, and data tables. We have only covered chart title, axis title. We had applied x-axis title, name of candidate, and then y-axis title, marks. Legend. A legend is a unique color or pattern assigned to each data series to make it easier to distinguish them visually. Data labels. The data labels provide additional information about a data point on a chart. And, the data table refers to the set of data values from which the chart is derived. In our today's class, we will learn how to implement grid lines, chart layout, chart styles, change chart type, switch row and column data. Let's begin. Grid lines in the axis group allow you to specify how grid lines should be displayed on the chart. Major grid lines are grid lines at large intervals. Minor grid lines are arranged at smaller intervals. For both horizontal and vertical grid lines, the options available are primary major horizontal, primary major vertical, primary minor horizontal, and primary minor vertical. Chart layout. If you want to quickly add chart elements, click the Quick Layout button in the Chart Layouts group. Click say, Layout 9. The layout adds the title to the top, center, of the chart, axis title, and moves to the right, center. You can try different chart styles and choose the one that you like. The Style 8 looks like the one shown on your screens. Chart styles. You can format Excel chart components to make a chart look more attractive. Excel 2013 provides ready-made chart styles. To see them all, click the More arrow at the bottom right corner of the Chart Styles group. You can try different chart styles and choose the one that you like. The Style 8 looks like the one shown on your screens. To change chart type, click the Change Group Type button in the Type group. The Change Chart Type dialog box appears. Select a new chart type in the desired layout. Click OK. The selected chart will appear. To switch row and column data, click the Switch Row Column button in the data group. The rows and columns will be switched. Here, the name of the candidate and marks have been switched. That's it for today's class. See you in the next class. Take care. Have a nice day.